Here is the app called Miiriya. So the app is here. Black-owned businesses. So this is trending new app where it's kind of like a marketplace of black-owned businesses, and it's getting high in the charts. So it's getting some traction. It's also kind of like a community. You can see featured products. So here's, for example, it's a growing real community. So and then you just kind of redirect it to their website, and then you can also see this, and then it just also being redirected. Then you can also search, and then you can just donate in here. You can see featured products, then you can see a map all over the US, then you can see aid. So here's you can see all purposes where people just trying to raise some money. All of the black community. So this is aid, and then there's also Hangout. So quite interesting app in here. So you can just find it, and that's the idea.